What are we doing?
We're going to Vail and then Dillon Lake.
Yay!
And then maybe Points Beyond.
Yay!
Summer Vacay.
Summer Vacay.
Woohoo!
Okay, we're in Vail. First stop on our road trip.
We're on the grounds of the Wren where we're staying.
And it's right on the river. Okay, Vermont's getting in the Toyota Land Cruiser. Yeah. We also entered to win it. So, pretty cool. Looks old timey. It is old timey, huh? Go.
I did fun.
She caught me!
I got all 3 fish.
And I got none.
Are you getting a sample or are you buying one?
She didn't tell me.
What do you have? You have my mocktail?
Yes. The margarita, Waterloo margarita.
Good stuff, Waterloo. And we're here at the GoPro Mountain Views. She's shopping in the Aviator Nation tent. This is gonna cost me dearly. What did we try? We tried some tin cup mountain mule, and I got a hat that's not gonna fall off my head when it's windy. Unlike this one, which has been falling off. We are trying some wine from Sonoma. It's Murphy and Good Winery. We're in the Yeti tent, and Christy's asking about different size Yetis and ices and stuff. So she's excited because she loves her Yeti. We're playing rock, paper, scissors because we really want to win the Nature Valley t-shirt. Oh, nice. All right. All right. All right. Christy's looking at this thing. You want to get in it? No? Oh, it opens up in the back too. You got AC and everything. That's cool. Yeah, that's good. You get a little spot for all your clothes. Christy found sunscreen from Go RVing.
From the Golden Peak Zone all day tomorrow. Be it that you're racing or cheering somebody on, that's kind of where you watching the YouTube videos and the social media stuff.
Now Christy found more free sunscreen.
Finish the job.
Did you earned a sticker. That's awesome. That's a cool sticker.
No? Alright.
Here's another van. This is 82,000. Oh, you can rent them, huh? That's cool. 17 foot. That's cool. All right. I mean, they'll probably make it for us, yeah. This one's for sale. It's $82,000.
University, a distance runner, a space guy. Mr. Dano Jones at 260 points in Colorado. Dylan, I think, is going to be a fixture on our circuit here for many years to come, bringing his boat. Fight him back up there. He has just about 20. That's a nice one. Into the big front loop. He may have...
Christina, what are you doing wrong? I won't tell, but all right, we're buying Colorado Classic Hikes, and we have one of the authors. He is going to autograph the book for us. How cool is that? Okay, we're walking back to the hotel, or condo rather, to get our keys because the front door ladies leave around 5 o'clock. So we're taking the scenic way back.
Hey, Daisy.
Yeah?
I love you.
Why did you love me?
Because I do.
You're a little tipsy, aren't you?
No. We haven't had lunch to eat.
And you had a glass of wine. So then you're a little tipsy.
Walking back to find dinner.
Yep.
It's a lovely evening, a little warm.
Lovely evening. Good breeze.
Yeah. We're at Vendetta's. We always come here at least once.
Yep. Alright, that looks delicious. This is our gluten-free burrata.
We didn't tell them gluten-free on the burrata.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Okay, what did you get?
Chicken piccata.
Chicken piccata, okay, and then I got the shrimp. There's some really good smells coming off here. Alright, do a little dance. Christy has found sorbet. So I think she might be going down there to get some. What did you get?
Mango sorbet.
How many scoops did you get?
It's supposed to be one. I don't think he knows the meaning of one.
No, I don't think so.
Because there was like at least a good couple.
I know, that's a lot of scoops from down there.
Joe.
There's another boat coming down. It's probably a practice run to get themselves familiar with the course. Okay, it's Saturday. And it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be a titch warmer. But now that we know better ways to go. Check out all of our We're at the Specialized booth, and we talked a little bit about FSR. They have a electronic shifting rear derailleur SRAM. We got a water bottle and some stickers. Pretty cool. Take the wheel. What did I get?
You got a human mouth.
Whoa! Right. All right. Christy is doing the thing. Nice.
What is it exactly you're trying out? You got a human mouth.
All right. All right. We were at the Gates Carbon Drive tent, and we both spun the wheel, and we both won a Gates Carbon Drive human belt, although she said it was not made out of humans. It's vegan. This looks like $1. Why do we know this? Because we asked them last time we were there. Yeah, we were like, what kind of things are these? And they said Dahlia. Okay, there's some climbing stuff going on. There's a center area. Walkie-talkie, dogs. Lots more people today than yesterday because it's Saturday.
Go RV. No, they have good stuff today. Yep. This should be my next e-bike. We're at the Yeti tent, and I like everything, basically. But the Yeti bottle I want is $30.
All right, we are hanging out with Seeker, and they have a really cool app for van life stuff. We downloaded the app. Okay, we're about to get lunch now. Christy's in line to get a smoothie. They're all gluten-free, so she can have anything she wants. Okay, we got some lunch. We got a couple smoothies from like juice in mason jars. They buy them back from 50 cents each.
This is a vertical hoop underneath you. Drained it for number 1. And he's like, yeah, I got that right there. Oh. Bail out to the back is what that was. That is legal. Vertical hoop, river right. Got it. Nice shot.
We're on the bus. We're in Lion's Head. We're in Lion's Head. This is Dogtown. Although we don't own a dog, we're gonna pet some, including that one with the giant ears over here. And here's another camper. Christy's gonna go look in there. We're walking back to our condo for a middle of the day break. It's toasty. We're gonna walk across the kiddos' suspension bridge. Ooh, suspension. Yeah. It's a weird feeling.
Yeah.
It's the coniferous area. Interesting. The world over, alpine plants look alike. Tool shed's cute. What are you doing?
Looking around the tool shed.
It's a cute little cabin, huh? Yeah, there's a big bumblebee going in that one. Those rocks are cool with the plants. We're sitting on a little bench in the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens. How cute is this? Absolutely beautiful. Reminds me of the John Denver Sanctuary in Aspen, Colorado. Okay, Christy got some salmon sashimi. It looks delicious, huh?
Yeah.
And then she got some tamari because there's no gluten in it. And Christy has the yin yang with the soy paper. And I have the tuna tataki. A little salad and some tuna, unadulterated. What do you think about that?
Looks good.
Christy, where are you? Okay. What are you doing?
Just walking.
Walking? Where are you walking?
Vail.
Colorado? We're at the whiskey place. We've never been here, but we've certainly tried whiskey. Kind of mountain whiskey and spirit. Pretty cool in here. The gondola's going. And up to the 10th. There's some sup racing going on. People are staging over here. We may be going down the Gore Creek or Gore River.
This guy just chilling.
Following Christy into every store she's going into. Christy's spinning the sunny sock wheel. When you just want a sunny sock. Choose wisely. Alright. I was a big loser, but Christy won a sunny sock. We were waiting for slackline. While we're waiting, we have an open door and Christy has an outside. Wow, look at that.
These guys are stoked on sidelining. I'm hoping you guys are stoked too. It's a beautiful sport that anybody can do at any level and have a great time with it. It's not exclusive.
There's some crazy hill climb going on up here.
We know, not that big of a deal, it's there, but it is a big deal, and it's awesome that we have this resource here. It's just an amazing spot. I swear I heard a whistle. Did you hear the whistle? I don't know, let's see. Maybe chain your eyes and scream. They do all the time. They're not the worst. I was actually able to find out on the game, no problem. Maybe I wasn't very effective, but I could.
We're at Ptarmigan Sports and Tours again. Christina is still in Ptarmigan Sports. Looking at the Yetis again! Looked at him in Vail! We're in the Edwards Art Store and we really like it because it's super fun. We get those glasses and there's tons of other things that are handmade arts here, which we support. We're in the bookworm. Do a twirl. She's got her new Cotopaxi. It still has the price tag on it.
They haven't gone back to the car yet.
Look at it. She's shoplifting.